Hi, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Yieldstreet mobile app works. Yieldstreet is an alternative investment platform that allows users to access private market opportunities, such as real estate, art, legal finance, and structured notes, directly from their mobile device. The app is designed for individuals looking to diversify their portfolios beyond traditional stocks and bonds. Through the Yieldstreet mobile app, users can browse a curated list of investment offerings, view key metrics, and review detailed asset summaries. Each investment includes projected returns, minimum contributions, term lengths, and associated risk levels. The app also offers features like account performance tracking, automatic dividend reinvestment options, and secure document storage for transaction records. The pros of the app include its simple navigation, clear investment breakdowns, and access to a wide range of asset classes not typically available on traditional platforms. Investors appreciate the professional layout and quick access to performance history. On the downside, the app has a high entry threshold for some offerings, often requiring a minimum investment of $1,000 or more. Some users also report occasional delays in updates or notifications. Real user feedback suggests that the mobile experience is smooth and informative. Users highlight the ease of reviewing opportunities and the educational resources available within the app. However, some have noted that support response times could be improved, and that they would appreciate more frequent app updates to address minor performance issues. If you're an investor seeking alternative assets with the convenience of managing them from your phone, the Yieldstreet app delivers a clean and reliable experience. While it may not be suited for those new to investing or with limited capital, it offers a compelling platform for those looking to diversify beyond traditional markets. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.